everyone and welcome to Sooki Sooki Vintage HQ. I'm doing a vlog type sort of video and I'm going to be showing you the day in the life of a Depop seller, aka moi, and how I take pictures for Sooki Sooki Vintage and what I do for Sooki Sooki Vintage. So I hope you guys enjoy it. These are like my go-to hoops. They just go with everything. Oh, they're such a look. What I usually do when I'm taking pictures is the few items that I have on hand, the few items that I've purchased, I take pictures of. I kind of like taking pictures of everything once, like all of my items once they're all together, but that will take time. So let me just show you the few items that I have ordered over the past week and a bit. These are the items. This has turned out to be a mini thrift haul, but I'll show you the items that I'm taking pictures of. I've just got this beautiful Etam dress, this summer Etam dress. And I also have this pink one, sort of the same, it's literally the same design, but just in pink. And they're new, like, they still have their tags on them. I got this really cute Peter Worth shirt. This gives me a lot of Hawaii holiday vibes. This shirt is so nice. Another item that I bought, which is unfortunately not going to be for sale, are these beautiful striped neck trousers. They're flared. I've been wanting these for ages, and every time I've wanted a pair, it's never been in my size, or it's been OTT, over the top expensive for me. I mean, this was expensive. It's I do have to hem the bottom though, because they're a bit too long for me, but these aren't for sale. These are for me to model in and a part of my haul. Denim dress. I've had this for quite a while now, but it was mine to begin with, but I think I've outgrown it, and I think a special someone could have this beauty. But she's so gorgeous. Early 2000s babe. This is my clothes rack. These are like my personal items that I've just pushed out of the way. They usually live here. Oh, a couple of tips and a couple of things you should know. So whenever I'm taking pictures, I always put my phone on airplane mode and switch on the Bluetooth. This helps take pictures of your girls, so that's what I do. And it also helps me save battery because I'm not talking to anyone or using the internet whilst taking pictures. Another tip is I tend to wear heels because they give me height and make me look more statuesque in pictures. I used to just model like, you know, barefoot. I feel like when I wear heels, it makes me look more statuesque and like I can pose a lot more sexier, because heels just make anybody feel sexy. So yeah, those are a few of my tips. What's another tip? That's about it really. Kapoing! You see that? That's what I'm talking about. I freaked out. This dress is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is actually such a cute dress. I think it's quite big, so I think it'll be a best fit for 24, but I think maybe the size 20, size 22s would fit into this. But, and you know, my big girls, they got boobage. So like when your boobs are just like sitting in this top, so cute. I can't wait to try on the blue one, but the pink one so far is just like adorable. If this was my size, I would cherish her for all eternity. Zest they soul. Hello folks, so that English. Hi guys, so that is the end of me taking pictures. Now is the most annoying part of the taking picture process in Sooki Sooki Vintage HQ. Cleaning. So now I need to clean up my room, all of that jazz, make something to eat because I'm starving, and then I don't know what time it is, but rest for a bit, and then I'm going to show you my picture picking process and my picture editing process. So yes, all in a day's work, as they say. So I've just finished taking my pictures now, and now I'm going to walk you through my picking pictures process, my editing process. I'm going to put my phone screen on the screen here. I'm going to screen record, and I'll just show you my process of how I pick my pictures. So 3, 2, 1, let's 3, 2, 1, let's get it cracking. Okay. So first thing I do is I scroll through my pictures. Oh, that's an amazing one. I just have a rough look through my pictures, and oh my gosh, in this one I'd be looking like, what's his face? That Wardy. I look like Rick. But we move on. So I just have a scroll through. This is the first item I took pictures of, and yeah, so I took 3 sets of pictures. I remember I had my first session, my second session, my third session. I believe this is my second one. The pictures are okay. So I just have a scroll through and I delete the pictures that are unnecessary. So yeah, I pretty much delete these. I'll obviously delete more, but I'm just giving you a rough example of what I do. So yeah, these are all the pictures. Oh, I love this shirt. I really do. I know. It's so nice. So yeah, I am going to have a deleting session, BRB. Okay, so once I finish deleting my photos, I then go into VSCO. I've never known how to pronounce it, I just call it Visco. But I go into Visco, I go to my studio and I go to edited. And when I'm in edited, if the pictures will load, I've already edited the photos to the color grading and the saturation that I would like. It sometimes works with some photos, other times it doesn't. It obviously depends on the color of the item that I'm wearing that affects the white balance. But what I tend to do is I will click on the photo, go to more, copy edits, and then I'll go into my images. I import the first item that I took a picture of first, and I do maybe 5 to 6, 7 images and paste them and then save it and then do another product photo and then do that. That way the products save together. So once they've imported, so what I tend to do is I test it out. So I'm gonna paste it onto one picture, and I think it will work because the items that I'm wearing that I've copied the edit from are black items, and yes, it does work, as you can see. So once that's done, save to camera roll. Save to camera roll. I save them to my camera roll. So they're, look, right now they're saving. Saving up, yeah. So once they're finished saving, I will then upload them onto the beautiful websites that I have my clothing on. Hi guys, it is the next day. It is, what time? It is 1:24 and I've got no packages to send out today. I know I'm filming at the most boring time, but it is what it is. All I've got to send out is this book that I sold on eBay, so I'm just gonna go out and sort that out. Then I'm going to upload my items onto ASOS Marketplace. I've already uploaded the items onto my Depop and my website, but I'm going to upload them onto ASOS Marketplace and my Etsy. So yes, that is the plan for today. First I'm going to go out and sort out this book. Hi guys, so I am back from the post office. I've posted my book. Now we're gonna go into the nitty gritty. I'm gonna upload my items onto ASOS Marketplace and Etsy. Let's get it, bonnie, bossy, bonnie, Elise, not sorry. Good afternoon guys. It is 1:09 p.m. I actually got a couple of orders in the day and the day after I finished recording me uploading some items. So I'm just going to show you the items that I have sold. So I've had this 70s Adidas jacket for quite some time now. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's straight out of the 70s. Only problem is that it's had some discoloration. So some discoloration here. So it's taken some time for me to sell it, but someone wanted it with the discoloration and all. So yeah, I sold this baby right here. Another baby that I've had for quite some time now is this Puma jacket. This small Puma jacket right here. This leather Thomas jacket. I've already printed my Hermes labels. Now I'm just going to start the packing process. Postal run again. I look like I'm about to fight crime. Hi guys, I am back from the post office / Hermes parcel shop. Oh, I think I underestimated how hot it was. I went out in some trousers and my full long sleeve top. And boy, I was sweaty. I had to change into this dress. How hot is it today? Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's currently clear at 23 degrees in London. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 23 degrees to 16 tonight.
23 degrees. And I went out in some black long trousers and a long sleeve shirt. I was sweating my face off. On top of that, I had a face mask and I had my jumper. I had to take my jumper off, but anyway, I digress. Wearing my nice black slip dress now. I look so fancy. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? But that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching my what a Depop seller gets up to in a week vlog, even though I've shown you like 3 days, but that's pretty much what I get up to. Have a wonderful evening, day, night, superior afternoon, superior, wow, my hair looks so nice, sorry, superior afternoon, superior night, superior evening. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.